sounds like a... Whoa! What? I was gonna say that sounds like a motor, like an engine. All or nothing on these things. What? Yeah, just give her. Come on. It's cutting out. That's so cool. Whoa! Catwalk yet? I was gonna try to hit the waves the right way. Yeah, huh? What was that? He's like, what? You got something to say? You're big from a long ways off. Yeah. One of our buddies. It's a bull. And go. See if I can hit a wave. Where's the wave? Right there. Right there. Thing out. Hey, see if you can pull that thing out. Connor. There we go. Look at the bulls. Look. Yeah, they're pumping blood. Sounds like it. Yeah. Do you not like what you see? That's how we park them. What did you do? Oh, you're 22. Look at that. Your battery punctured. No, you must have overheated like crazy. I don't think those motors are probably. Oh no, that thing is done. Well, you can still salvage with a nail. Okay. Those motors are super hot, are they? Oh man, we should just send it out over here. This should have done a good job with the cooling system, right? Should have. Why did the battery do that? I don't know. Overheat. Why? Oh, it's 3 motors. It's drawing a lot of power. Yeah, but it's 22 volts, right? Yeah. What's the C rating on that?